Ready to test your world knowledge? Welcome to our 10-question World General Knowledge Quiz. Question number 1. Which country is known as the land of the rising sun? A. China. B. South Korea. C. Japan. D. Thailand. Option C is correct answer. Question number 2. What is the largest desert in the world? A. Sahara Desert. B. Gobi Desert. C. Arabian Desert. D. Antarctic Desert. The correct answer is options D. Question number 3. Which river is the longest in the world? A. Amazon River. B. Nile River. C. Yangtze River. D. Mississippi River. Options B is correct answer. Question 4. What is the capital city of Canada? A. Toronto. B. Vancouver. C. Ottawa. D. Montreal. Option C is correct answer. Question number 5. Which country is the largest by land area in the world? A. United States. B. Canada. C. Russia. D. China. Correct answer is option C. Question number 6. Which country is home to the Great Barrier Reef, the world's largest coral reef system? A. Australia. B. Indonesia. C. Maldives. D. Philippines. Answer, options A, Australia. Question number 7. Mount Everest is located in which two countries? A. Nepal and India. B. Nepal and China. C. India and Bhutan. D. China and Tibetan. Correct answer is options B, Nepal and China. Question number 8. The Eiffel Tower is located in which city? A. Rome. B. Berlin. C. Paris. D. London. Your answer is option C, Paris. Question number 9. Which ocean is the largest by surface area? A. Atlantic Ocean. B. Indian Ocean. C. Southern Ocean. D. Pacific Ocean. Correct answer is options D, Pacific Ocean. Question number 10. Which country is famous for its ancient pyramids and the Sphinx? A. Iraq. B. Egypt. C. Greece. D. Italy. Answer options B, Egypt. Question number 11. Which continent is known as the Dark Continent due to its unexplored regions in the past? A. Asia. B. Africa. C. South America. D. Antarctica. Options B is correct answer. Thank you for watching.